Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Sports Fusion. Uh, Everyone are wondering and everyone has the same question in their head. Can India still make it to semi-finals? Yeah, there is a slight possibility where we have to beat Afghanistan and Afghanistan should beat New Zealand and we have to beat Namibia and Scotland with huge margins, not minor margins but very huge margins, like beating them with 100 or 150 runs. Plus, currently the form which Afghanistan and New Zealand are, it is very unlikely that we may get qualified for the semis, and that's the harsh reality, and we have to face it right now. However, we lost the toss, या टॉस हारे हैं, बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं था कि बैटिंग इतना ख़राब की जाए टॉस हारने के बाद. We have to capitalize. We should have capitalized the moment where if Ishan Kishan did not go well, he mainly उसका काम ही वही था कि वहाँ जाके फ्रीली हिट करे बॉल को, बट वो नहीं हुआ. तो in my mind, I always thought that Virat Kohli will always come one down, but for some reason Virat did came two down, whereas Rohit should have come two down. But again, they failed to keep on rotating the strike. The spinners were quite exceptional in New Zealand squad. Sodhi as the man of the match, as I have said yesterday that he would ball really well, and he did ball really well. However, he dropped a catch at last ball of the innings, but that did not matter a lot because New Zealand has chased the total quite easily. Coming to the batting lineup, okay, the batting lineup was quite good, but again, the only difference I had to make was Kohli should have come ahead of Rohit Sharma, and Sharma should have controlled the middle order where he plays spin really well. But again, we have seen a quite different approach from him. Well, again, Hardik Pandya, I think it's time that India should bench Hardik Pandya because this is not IPL, this is World Cup, and even in last couple of months, Hardik was not performing well. वही वैसे ही हार्दिक को we have to give time, and he needs to analyze because he is not fit in bowling, and हमें all-rounder की ज़रूरत थी, but as they are saying that Hardik is not quite ready to bowl, and कल उन्होंने bowling भी की थी 2 over where he did not perform that well. Shardul Thakur as well got out for 0. Well, again, Jadeja came to rescue to Team India, tried to came to rescue to Team India, I would say, because उनकी बैटिंग तो अलग लेवल पे ही चल रही है जडेजा की, बट अगेन it was too late for him to go attack to the New Zealand bowlers. And yeah, coming to the bowling side, the bowling that we have done was quite ordinary, I would say, where the Varun Chakravarti and Jasprit Bumrah bowling in power play, and as well as Ravindra Jadeja was a quite surprise for me, क्योंकि हर डिलीवरी पे वो यॉर्कर ही बॉल कर रहे थे. He was trying to bowl Yorker on every single delivery, which was predictable. The bouncers were not that, the short balls and the bouncers were not up to the mark from him. Plus, Varun Chakravarti, yeah, that much not of a mystery spinner right now. He turned out to be quite opposite, and I think India has paid price for that. Plus, bowling Jadeja in power play was, I don't know what the management was thinking of, क्योंकि Jadeja in power play, that too for both right hand batsmen, was quite shocking and surprising for me, क्योंकि we had Shami and Thakur in our bowling attack, yet we have chosen to go with spinner. That was surprising. So yeah, we can say that India can qualify to semi-finals, but again we have to go with luck right now. Well, हार जीत तो चलती रहती है, लेकिन लास्ट के 2 मैचेस वेर क्वाइट ऑर्डिनरी फ्रॉम इंडिया. आई नो ये बोलना ठीक नहीं रहेगा, मगर देर शुड बी ए क्वाइट सीरियस थिंकिंग टू बी डन in quite behind from other teams, how they are thinking and delivering in their ideas. So I would say yeah. But where on the other game, दूसरे game में Namibia versus Afghanistan. Afghanistan again were quite exceptional in yesterday's game. वाओ, इतने बेहतरीन तरीके से प्रदर्शन दिया था अफगानिस्तान ने. They have again won the match with one of the biggest margin. So it is more likely that Afghanistan could qualify for semi-finals the way their team is performing. Today we only have one fixture, that is England versus Sri Lanka. I know Sri Lanka is a dark horse. It is quite hard to say that Sri Lanka will win, because the form which England are in is quite extraordinary. Because apart from Ian Morgan, every batsman has been contributing and every bowler has been performing. So yeah, I think England will win today's game. And that's it from my end for today. And do stay tuned for more updates and follow for more. Thank you.